Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to correctly play Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 on PC. First, get the game and clean version. Since it's not on digital stores, you'll need the original disc or find a reputable ISO. Check archive.org. Install on a custom non-restricted folder like C/game/NFS Most Wanted and patch to version 1.3. Apply the official game patch to version 1.3 for stability. Next, check essential fixes by using community patches. Widescreen fix 13AG, crucial for high resolutions. Download it, extract the scripts folder and input 8.dll and place them in your game's root directory where speed.exe is. No CD fix. The game's DRM safe disk doesn't work on modern systems. Get a no CD patch to allow it to run without the disk. MW crash fix, ASI loader. Prevents common crashes by adding ASI loader to the fix into the scripts folder. Extra options. Adds support for HD textures, improved lighting like Xbox 360, and high-quality audio. Next, configuration for modern PCs. Compatibility mode. Right-click speed.exe, then click Properties, Compatibility, and set to Windows XP Service Pack 3 and run as administrator. Antivirus exclusion. Add your games folder as an exclusion in Windows Security to prevent interference. Install .NET Core, required for some online or mod features to run. And finally, launch and play. Run the game as administrator after applying the fixes and explore the new options in the NFS Most Wanted.ini file inside the scripts folder for settings like audio quality and subtitles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.